Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Geechee Vaughn, and as you can see in the title, today we are talking about magnetic lashes. Okay, so in today's video, I will be talking about the magnetic lashes. Now for the past, well, it'll be a year next month. So since January 2020, I started wearing the magnetic lashes. I started off with these. I saw a video on Amazon, well actually on Facebook first, and then on Amazon. I Googled it or looked it up on Amazon, and I found these, and I seen a couple reviews on YouTube for the Arishine lashes. And back then, these came, well, you can see they are used. But they only come with 5 pairs of lashes or whatever. And then you had 2 magnetic lash liners. And then you had the little crimper holder thingies, which I never used or whatever. But it came with that. And that was about $18 or whatever. And I love them. This is my favorite. Like when I say I wore these babies till I could not wear them no more. And they're still not bad or whatever. The only thing with magnetic lashes, I've seen that people have said that they have been able to wear them in the rain. Well, I can wear them in the rain, but some people said that they've been able to, like, I guess actually go to the beach and swim and all that stuff. And they didn't work for me at the beach or whatever. The babies came right on off or whatever. But the Arishine lashes, like I said, I like that. That's the beginner pack, I would say. Maybe that's what they started off with. I'm not sure, because now they have the double pack, and I really haven't seen that pack. And so this was the next one that I had upgraded to, which has 10 pairs of lashes. And you see, yeah, me and my daughter, I don't think that's right. Oh, yeah, you know. Okay, so I'll talk about that in a minute. But these came with 10, from very natural looking to more of a dramatic look or whatever. And they also came with two liners, and then one of the little holders, which I think I have one. But like I said, I really don't use it. I just use my fingers. So I have a lot of these now because I get them with every pack. But, you know, it's just to help, like, place the lashes. But I've never used them or whatever. So, as far as the lashes, I think they're really, really nice. I never really worn the natural pair before. I would probably wear the natural. Maybe if I had, like, a more conservative job to go to or whatever, and I didn't want it to be as bold, as dramatic, then I would stick with the natural look or whatever. But I like for them to pop, not to where that they just flopping down and I can't see. Or you see them when they just be so thick and then just so like, oh, I hate them, and you just can't see. They look like fucking windshield. Oh no, Now we don't go dramatic like that. Now with the liner. Oh, and then you can also buy like extra packs of liner, and it comes with two of the bottles, which, like I said, I be using to mess out this stuff. I probably use more than what I was supposed to. But it says that you're supposed to use, like, twice. Like, you know, 2 layers or whatever it is. And maybe that's why mine probably didn't last at the beach. Because maybe I didn't put enough layers on or whatever. But I already have some that I still have to use before I use these in this pack. Okay, so very, very simple. Very easy. All you do is, just like you would say, like, when you're drawing your, what is it called? Just like an eyeliner. Like you use your eyeliner, but this is like a liquid liner or whatever. And you very simply, let me use this one. Shake it up. And I guess that's so that the little magnetic thingies can. And I'm just going to my mirror so I can see, because I won't be able to see right here. So I am off camera. And you just draw. And I guess you can make the line as thick as you like, or whatever. So that's one layer. Hopefully you can see it. I don't like this color. I don't know, I was trying a new eyeshadow color and no, I don't like it. It's not for me. And you just draw it on, sticking as close to see, nice and simple, nice and simple. Then I go and you shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it up again. And you do one more layer, which I think some people have put up to like 3 layers on here. However, I don't feel the need to have to do 3. And then one more on this side. And when I say, I absolutely, because you know, for a long time, I want to say maybe the past 20 years, I have been wearing like the individual lashes or whatever. And with those are cool. However, you know, it's hard to, you know, you can't take those off at night. So you can't really wash your face, you know what I'm saying, like how you should be washing your face, you know, with them on, because you're trying to wash and keep them on or whatever it is. And, you know, I just always wanted something different that I could use to where that I can, oh, wait a minute. You know what? I got ahead of myself. So I was talking about these Arishine lashes or whatever, which are my fave. And that's what I use, is that glue. So I've been wearing these, like I said, for a minute. I got so sidetracked. I was thinking that this was it too. But I bought a different kind. This is off of Amazon as well. And this is in Brave magnetic lashes and liner. And these are 10 pair. These have 10 pairs in there as well. And it comes, you know, like these are super dramatic. If you can see that, I mean, super dramatic. They're dramatic is a little, and actually I really can't compare them because, like I said, we didn't use these. Yeah, I can't really compare. This box is, yeah, you would have to like go on Amazon and actually compare if it was that deep for you, which today is just not for me. But you can see for just about the same price, you get 2 liners, which I should have used this liner because I'm going to use actually this one. So hopefully it'll still work. We'll see though. And you still get like the little applicator, and then they give you instructions on how to use it. You get your little card about your magnetic lashes, and you know how you're supposed to put them on. So like I said, I don't use the applicator, so I don't know, I guess for the sake of the video, I don't know, because you can't really, well, I don't like taking them on and off, and I'll tell you why. So I tried to take them on. You have to be very, very careful, because if you are not, nope, it was in the other one. If you are not careful in how you are pulling these off of your eyes, because for me, the liner lasts really, really well. Like, it lasts all day. I can put it in, put them on at about 7:30 in the morning, and about 11:30, 12, when I'm ready to lay down and wash everything. Like, you still have to, you know, it's a nice little pull, you know, so they last all day. So you have to be careful, you know, when doing that, because if you're not, then you can see, you know, they get twisted up or whatever. And the band on these, and this was one of my favorite pairs, but the band, as you can see, that started to separate. And so look, they flying around doing all kind of stuff they ain't supposed to. And then when you put them on, you can just see, I tried to still rock them anyway. But this, you know, it just dangles, and it dangled on my eye like that. So, you know, we had to let that go. But that was my favorite pair. Well, the one, not my favorite, but like one of the ones that I wore the most out this box or whatever. So you have to be very, very careful when pulling these off, you know, because the glue, the liner, the magnetic glue, it does work really well. It does what it's supposed to do. I apologize. I got so ahead of myself. You can tell I'm not used to making YouTube videos. Okay, so like I said, I was doing this one because, like I said, I've been wearing Arishine for the past 11 months. And I wanted to try a different brand, which is Embrave. Damn it. I didn't use their liner. Oh, well. Okay, so we're just going to pick for this video. I'm going to pick this one. No, I'm going to pick this one, which has like the little, where it's smaller or shorter. It's like a butterfly, kind of like. And you'll see how easy, like, oh, you know what? And I forgot to put, I'm all jacked up. A little bit of my lashes, which I really don't have any. All right, there you go. Kind of helps to blend it in and put them in together. Okay, so now you can see the magnets. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think most of them, they have about 5 magnets on there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Hopefully you can. But yeah, they have about 5 magnets. And like I said, they snap on or whatever it is. Really simple. And you just pick the spot that you want to put it on. And just like that, voila, you got a lash, girl. Yep. And it's simple. Like, it's just that freaking simple. I don't know about you, but like me, like strip lashes, you know, when you put the glue on, unless maybe if I can find like a liquid liner to do it. But, you know, I would try to put them on and go like this. And, you know, my eyeball will always start watering or whatever it is. And I don't know why it does that. But my eyeball would start watering. And you see, it just latches on like it ain't nothing. And then I don't have to worry about my eyeball watering. You know what I'm saying? You just put them on. And when I say once they're on, they are on and they last all day long. But what I like about them is just the different varieties. You know, like I said, if you, well, this one actually, well, yeah, they have some that are a little, you know, natural looking or whatever it is. But like, you know, if you want natural, if you want dramatic, if you want pop, if you want ratchet, if you want, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is that you want, they got it. They got it. If you want to be conservative, you know, it is what it is. Be you. Do you. You know, if you like these thick ass, you know, windshield wipers, you know, do you, boo. They got them. This ones I should have tried on. I should have tried on to see how. I might do it later or whatever it is. You know, we in quarantine still, you know, COVID season, pandemic, and we ain't going nowhere. So just ain't no need, no reason for me to just, you know, but I can if I want to, you know, because sometimes I do that too. However, I love these lashes. Now, I did pick up a pack of these. This is the Eye Envy. You know, these are the ones that they sell in the beauty supply. And these are $9. Fudge. And I really like those too. And I usually use it with the EyeLure, which this is the, which I had some. I don't know what I did, but I didn't like the EyeLure. I think you get them at Walgreens. I got my pack at Walgreens. And they just didn't work for me. It's EyeLure and Ardell or whatever it is. So they have like the magnetic, you know, liner like this as well. Oh, my phone. Okay, sorry about that. That was my boo thing. Okay, so where was I at? Okay, so from Walgreens. Wait a minute now. I gotta get adjusted. This ain't right. Okay. Okay. So from Walgreens, they have the EyeLure and they had Ardell. Now this is the one where Ardell, you have to use like the little it's like a gel or whatever it is, and you have to use that, and then you have to spread it across, and I wasn't no fan of it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. It was too messy for me or whatever. I'm not a professional, so that didn't work. But the EyeLure, the magnetic eyeliner is really good or whatever it is, because like I said, I use the Eye Envy lashes as well. I just didn't like the EyeLure lashes. I didn't like the lashes, so we didn't stick to them. But I'm glad I kept the liner or whatever it is, because once Eye Envy came out with their lashes, I like them. They do it. They the 3D lashes, and you know, like I said, if you just want to get one pair and just to try them out, yeah, try them out. You'll like them. I don't think you will be disappointed in them. But as you can see, if you're just looking for something simple, Lord, my wig is coming up. That ain't right. We're gonna just talk like this the rest of the video. Oh my God. It is what it is. It's too fucking late now, huh? Oh well, anywho. So if you are looking for magnetic lashes, go on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. They are really good lashes. The liner lasts all day. If you run out, because you're going to run out of, you know, liner, you can buy packs of 2, I think for like $10 or $12. And it lasts, just depending on how often and how many layers you use or whatever. But like I said, each, I want to say this, I've lasted, because this was another pack of 2, I believe. So I think in a year, I've used 2 packs. So that's the pack that it comes with, and then one of these. And I just got this, and like I said, I haven't used this yet. I'm still using these 2. So in almost a year, I've only had to order one of these or whatever, and I use 2 layers or whatever it is, you know, of this stuff. So yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff. You know, help me support my channel so I can bring more videos. I think I ordered some Shein or whatever it is. My daughter, she does Shein. Check her out, Lexi Wiley. Shout out. But I ordered from them before for the summertime for my birthday. I did like a whole, and I should have done a Shein haul, but you know, we wasn't even able to go anywhere for real. So I really can, because I've never worn any of those clothes or whatever. So maybe in the summertime coming up or whatever, I could do a Shein haul, because I literally haven't. I wore one shirt and that's it. So that'll be coming up. And then I ordered purses and I think some lingeries, you know, some sexy big girl sexies, you know. So we're gonna see how that goes. And you know, I've never publicly put myself, you know, in lingerie, you know, for other people to see. So, you know, this is going to be a step, you know, it's a new year, trying to do new things, you know what I'm saying? So I am nervous about that, because, you know, a girl put on some weight in 2020, you know, trying to get pregnant, just staying at home for like the first couple months or whatever it is. You know, yeah, we was just eating, Netflixing, chilling, laying up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, packed on a few pounds. I should have done what some of the other people were doing, and you know, you know what, I'm veering off, forget that. Like this video, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.